So guys, if your mouse cursor is not showing on your laptop or desktop in Windows 11 or Windows 10, follow this step using only the keyboard. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager and press Enter to open it. Now press the Tab key once, then use the down arrow to reach mice and other pointing device. Press the right arrow to expand it, then use the down arrow to select HID compliant mouse. Press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. Use the down arrow to select Update driver, then press Enter. Now press Enter again on Search automatically for drivers. If Windows shows that the best driver is already installed, press Tab to select Close, then press Enter. Now press Shift plus 10 again, and this time select Uninstall device and press Enter to confirm. After installing the mouse driver, press Ctrl Alt Delete and press the Tab button until you reach the power icon. Press Enter on power icon and select the Restart and press Enter button again. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse driver and your cursor should be fixed. Second method. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open the Task Manager. Press Tab, then use the down arrow to select Windows Explorer. Once you found, press Shift plus F10, choose Restart and press Enter. This will restart Windows Explorer and in most cases the mouse cursor will appear again. That's it.